Hi, today I'm making this easy, delicious, and flavorful pakora recipe. This pakora recipe is the most crispiest and best recipe you'll ever make for Iftar in Ramadan. Let's get started. So, first, I am taking 1 cup of julienne cut potatoes. Now, add 1 medium onion, which is chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a handful of chopped fresh coriander. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Add 1 cup of gram flour or besan. And now, mix until well combined. Add water until the pakora batter's texture is not thick and not thin. Now it's ready. Add enough cooking oil in a pan to fry the pakoras. Place small parts of the pakora batter to form pakoras and then fry until golden brown. These pakoras are going to be the best and most flavorful pakoras you would have ever tasted. In the meantime, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon to not miss any new recipes. Also, comment about your thoughts on this recipe. Now that it is ready, remove from the frying pan and serve. So there you go, the most crispiest pakora recipe till this date. This will surely be one of your favorite recipes in this Ramadan. Anyway, I hope you like this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe as well. See you in the next video. Bye.